This event was to make sure that we engage our young people at Fort Valley State University so they can get the HIV not only education, but supplies to reduce their risk.
We have brought in students from across the Atlanta University Center to put together AIDS awareness packets.
Within those bags are materials around HIV education, resources for both HIV testing and PrEP. We've actually even provided a take-home HIV testing kit where all they have to do is swab their mouth and send the kit back in. So a way to get tested in the privacy of their own home.
If they get tested and they know their status, then they're able to do something about it. If it's positive, there's a pathway to stay healthy and well. And if it's a negative test, there's now a pathway to stay negative.
Anytime we are able to put forth information for that segment of the population, it's actually impactful for all segments of the population.